Stop, what if the dollar coin sitting in your pocket or forgotten in a drawer was actually worth thousands of dollars? It sounds impossible, but for certain rare US government dollar coins, that's the stunning reality. The United States. Mint has been producing $1 coins for over 200 years. And in that time, a small number of those coins, due to their rarity, mint location, or manufacturing errors, have become some of the most sought-after treasures in American numismatic history. Today, we're counting down the most expensive US government dollar coins ever recorded, including coins that have sold at auction for staggering amounts. From the legendary 1804 silver dollar, nicknamed the King of American Coins, to modern mint errors that slip past quality control. These are the $1 coins that changed collectors' lives. Stay with us until the end, because we'll also show you exactly how to check your own coins to see if you're sitting on a small fortune. Let's get into it. The obverse of this incredible coin features the portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower and the word Liberty arched along the upper edge, while the national motto, In God We Trust, appears below. Eisenhower's sheen and the most distinctive feature is the dual date, 1776 to 1976, positioned beneath the portrait and separated by a centered dot. CoinValueChecker.com. And this design feature was something that had never been seen before on any American circulating coin, and it immediately made this coin stand out from every other dollar coin that came before it, and the reverse of the bicentennial dollar was designed by art student Dennis R. Williams, who was just 21 years old at the time, and it displays the Liberty Bell superimposed on the moon, which takes up most of the reverse side, and to the bell's right, the national motto E Pluribus Unum is inscribed, and Williams' initials can be seen directly below the bottom edge of the Liberty Bell SD bullion, and this design is so powerful and so patriotic and so full of American pride that collectors all around the world have been seeking this coin for decades, and it remains one of the most iconic coin design ever produced in United States history. Production of this coin began in February 1975, and no coins were made bearing a single year. 1975, date and the West. Point. Mint assisted Philadelphia in handling the enormous volume of production, and the total final mintage reached Liamba Arjudien Lot. Million-clad business strike. Though West Point struck coins carry no W mint mark. CoinValueChecker.com, and this is a very important fact for collectors to understand, because many people think that only Philadelphia and Denver produced this coin, but in reality West Point was also involved in production, and because over 200 million of these coins were minted, they are not generally rare in circulated condition SD bullion. However, the sheer number of mints involved in producing this coin, including Philadelphia and Denver for circulation, strikes and San Francisco for collector version, means that there are many different varieties and mint marks to collect, and each variety has its own unique value and rarity level. And the San Francisco Mint produced special silver versions that are far more valuable than the common copper nickel-clad version found in everyday pocket change. The 1976 bicentennial dollar was the Type 2 variety emerged. Mid-production as the mints. Fix for the striking clarity issues seen in type. One-on-clad planchet. And its sharper, narrower lettering. Struck in higher relief gave the liberty. Bell and surrounding. Inscription greater definition. Coinvaluechecker.com. And for collectors, understanding the difference between Type 1 and Type 2 is absolutely critical because these two varieties can have very different values, especially in high mint state grades. And Type 1 coins have softer, less defined lettering, while Type 2 coins have much crisper and sharper detail throughout the entire design, and with 113 million struck from Philadelphia alone. Type 2 coins substantially outnumber their Type 1 counterparts, making them readily available in lower grades. Yet this abundance vanishes at gem condition. Coinvaluechecker.com, meaning that finding a true gem, quality example of either type in perfect mint state condition is actually much harder than most people realize, and that is exactly why top grade certified examples of this coin sell for price that can absolutely shock and amaze even experienced coin collectors. The market value of the 1776 to isang libot siyam na raan pitumput anim dolar in dalawang libot dalawamput anim. Depend directly on metal composition striking, quality and surface preservation, and copper-nickel specimens from circulation typically carry a value of $1.05 to $1.25, reflecting their common status and minimal metal melt value, coin identifié. And this means that if you find one of these coin in your change or in an old jar at home and it shows signs of wear, scratches, or handing, it is probably worth just a little more than its face value of $1. But that does not mean you should dismiss it entirely because coin in ideal uncirculated condition showing no signs of wear or bag marks trade within a broad range of $5 to $50 coin identifier and silver. Versions of this coin are much more valuable even in circulated condition because they contain real silver content that gives them an inherent metal value floor. And the key message here is that condition is everything when it comes to determining the true worth of your 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower bicentennial dollar. Most of these bicentennial coins are worth their face value of $1. But some special version can fetch $3 to $920 or more depending on their composition and condition, coin no. And when you get into the truly top-grade certified examples, the price become extremely exciting and impressive. And one exceptional M67 Plus specimen achieved $10,800 at Heritage Auctions on ikalabing apat en Enero, 2024. And a more recent M67 Plus sale reached $7,00 at Heritage in Mayo, 2025, confirming that demand for top-grade Type 2 coins remains robust. Coinvaluechecker.com. To truly understand the value and importance of the 1972 Eisenhower dollar, we have to start with the history behind this coin and why it was created in the first place. And the reverse side of the coin was designed to commemorate the Apollo 11 space mission which successfully landed the first humans on the moon in Firan. 1969 old coin online. And this is one of the most powerful and most patriotic design choices ever made on a United States coin, because it forever links this coin to one of humanity's greatest achievement, and on the obverse, a left-facing bust of President Eisenhower is the main feature, and this work of art by the US Mint chief engraver of the time, Frank Gasparro, is surrounded by other details required by law, and the inscription Liberty is in a curve over the head of the President, and America's motto, In God We Trust, appears below Eisenhower's chin, and the Mint year 1972 is inscribed in a curve along the bottom edge of the coin, US coins. Value and this design combining the face of one of America's most beloved presidents with the imagery of the moon landing makes the 1972 Eisenhower dollar one of the most historically meaningful coins ever struck by the United States Mint. Now let us talk about the different mint marks on the 1972 Eisenhower dollar and why knowing your mint mark is absolutely essential for determining the value of your coin, and the mint mark, when present, appears on the obverse below Eisenhower's neck just above. The date and Philadelphia minted coins bear no mint mark, and Denver coin display at the and San Francisco pieces show an S and a quick mint mark. Check is your first step to identifying whether your coin could contain 40% silver, because only S mint coins are silver. CoinValueChecker.com and the 1972 Eisenhower dollar mintage totaled approximately 170 million coin across 3 facilities and Philadelphia. Struck 75 مليوناً و890 1,000-piece split among 3 reverse type, while Denver minted 22,548,511. CoinValueChecker.com and San Francisco struck more than 2 million uncirculated version, known as the Blue Ike Handover. 1.8 million proof coins known as the Brown Ike, both in 40% silver. Composition with the S mint mark, which could be purchased for a premium as the bullion, understanding these 3 different minting facilities, and the coins they produced is the foundation of everything you need to know about collecting those 1972 Eisenhower dollar series. This is where things get really exciting and really fascinating, because the 1972 Eisenhower dollar from Philadelphia is the only coin in the entire Eisenhower series to have 3 completely different reverse design varieties, all in the same year, and in 1972 the US Mint refined Eisenhower dollar, resulting in 3 distinct reverse design varieties known as Type E, Type 2, and Type 3, and Type 1. Features 3 islands off the Florida coast, and Type 2, which is the rarest variety, shows Florida as a single triangular out of all 3 varieties. The Type 2 is by far the most important and the most valuable, and it is considered the absolute key date of the entire Eisenhower dollar series, and the story of how the Type 2 came into existence is one of the most fascinating stories in all of American coin. production history because the survival data reveal striking contrasts among the Philadelphia varieties and Type 1 and Type 3 coins maintained. Similar survival rates at around 46%, each while Type 2 stands apart dramatically with only 500,000 coins surviving from the same original. Mintage, which represents a mere 0.66% survival rate, and this scarcity stem from the accidental use of a proof D for circulation strikes, making most Type 2 coin indistinguishable once they entered circulation, and suffered where coinvaluechecker.com Anna PCG SCMS 66+. This is example of the Type 2 sold at Great Collections in February. Dalawang libo dalawang put apat for $8,000. Pitong daan labing $8 and $7 centimos, Coin Week. And another top-grade example sold at Great Collections in October. Dalawang libot dalawang put tatlo for $12. $1,656.25. Coin Week and these extraordinary prices prove that the 1972 Type 2 Eisenhower dollar is not just rare, it is a genuine treasure in the world of American numismatics. Now let us talk about one of the most exciting categories of the 1972 Eisenhower dollar collection, and that is the 40% silver coins produced exclusively at the San Francisco Mint, and this coin are in a completely different league compared to the standard copper-nickel clad circulation strike, and unlike the standard clad coins, the silver version contains 40% silver, making it a valuable addition to any coin collection, and the coin weighs 24.59 grams and has a diameter of 38,1 mm, with a reeded edge, accurate PMR. And the higher silver content is what makes a 1972 silver dollar rare and compared to the D and no mint mark varieties, the 1972 silver dollar has a higher market value of $20 in average condition, and it also has a higher melt value US coin value, and in pristine high-grade condition, these silver coins become extraordinarily valuable because in higher grade pristine condition, le 1972 $1 coin is worth up to $13 dalawang daan. $1 fair, and this is the auction record for this variety, and is the value of a 1972 PF67 cameo dollar coin with a double error on both sides, US coin value. And if you have a 1972 coin with an S mint mark, you absolutely must check the edge for the absence of a copper stripe, because that silver edge means your coin is worth real money. One of the most wonderful and most fascinating aspects of collecting the 1972 Eisenhower dollar is the existence of the special collector packaging that the San Francisco Mint used to sell these premium silver coins directly to the public, and they produced more than 2 million uncirculated versions, known as the Blue Ake Andover, 1.8 million proof coins, known as the Brown Ike, both in the San Francisco Mint engraved with the